I'm Vaishali Shah and I represent LTS School of Beauty as a co-founder. My experience with the Style Speak conference has been really, really nice. I think year on year our topics are getting interesting, discussions are getting better, and I'm sure it's getting more informed. And the best is the audience is getting more and more engaged. I think it's a brilliant piece and we must continue and grow this for sure. This conference of the beauty professionals is a must because we are so much so living into our own stylos. We are so busy on an everyday basis that we would just want to do things which are only business led. To grow a business, it's very, very important that we hear people's opinion, hear people's view, know what's happening more in this industry, get it into our own businesses, and make them grow bigger. So I think these conferences help us to do that. It's like doing a 1 year program in 2 days for most of us. I think the skincare trends in the professional market that's going to really change is the use of technology. As we all discussed even today, technology is what is going to really take over in a big way. I'm sure, and I'm that it's going to be interesting how AI is going to come into skin and change the skincare scope in some time. However, the human touch will always remain. People said they're going to be massage robots and we're going to have robots coming in. Yes, we would. But the human touch is always one that's more comforting, that's here to stay for sure. The future is bright, but I would say it's bright for people who really understand this industry well. It's not for the YouTubers who come and learn and go and want to practice and make it big. It's really for people who are putting in their efforts, learning, reinventing, and really changing things as it comes through. It's really a bright future for them. So I would wish all our beauty professionals really, invest into your training, retraining, invest into upgrading, travel the world, read about it, and implement it into your salon. That's where you're going to grow and really shine in this industry. Thank you.